The grill was the most difficult part to sand off because it's kind of fragile and I didn't want to bend it in any way. The whole case has already been bent a bit, but these sides have been completely stripped of any paint at all. So there's still a bit left, but we're gonna put the label back, so that won't matter too much. We'll have to put on a primer coat first. Here's a test shot. Man, it doesn't look so bad. Can't fit. There is still room for improvement. I could at least also paint the bottom plate of the amp and maybe the rest of the chassis, but that's for later. We'll leave the grill also for now. There's something else beside a lot of old stuff, transformers, pieces of radio. There's my Tweed Deluxe with some very old resistors. We might have to look into this next time. Thanks for watching.